Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. I'm indoors in the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, and here is a platypus. Very dark inside, but some light. Hopefully we can get a good view of that. See the platypus, this egg-laying mammal, the yellow beak or bill, and it's just swimming around in circles. See the fur and the eyes next to the beak on this side, the legs or maybe fins going around, just going around in circles inside of this darker space. Perhaps they're more accustomed to the night or not such bright lights, giving them a home in this water area. Just going around, we'll see if it can face the camera. I only see one in this area, but there is another one off to the side as well. It's having some fun here, it seems, swimming around. It's a little bit of a rock area where I suppose it would sleep or hide. And it could go above the water as well. And it keeps going, this time a little bit closer to the glass. You can see the wet fur as it's coming even closer and just swimming. And now going back again. Pretty cool beak, bill, or perhaps nose. You can see it's yellow and black spotted. Going around, swimming around, getting its exercise. You can see the underbelly just a little bit as it's going around. Perhaps an orange color down below. Try to get it under through the glass, and you could see its feet. You could see the what looks to be the orange underbelly, and see its mouth as we go round and round. Get to see all sides of the sky. Platypus coming around the bend. Shadows and darkness in here, probably harder for the video without all of the extra lighting that we usually have outdoors, but should be good. It's been a good trip to this Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary so far. Lots of animals. Get a good view of this guy as it's coming closer, moving down, and right against the glass. You can see a little bit further down. Try to get another angle from down below. See under, as now it's going around to the other side. Some trees or plants in the water, and a leaf here, or I suppose it would go inside and take a break from all the swimming. See if he goes up, but so far it's just been swim, swim, swim in circles and off to the side. A nice view of the platypus here at the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary in Australia. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. Stay tuned for more animals, more content.